What's good, what is good, my sizers? We are back again with another video, and today we're at the Virgin Hotels. Now, the Virgin Hotels may look a little bit familiar for those who used to visit Las Vegas all the time, because this actually used to be where the Hard Rock Casino was. And if you've never heard of Virgin Hotels or Hard Rock Casino, have no fear, because if you are here before the 31st of December, then I can tell you that Virgin Hotels is hosting a New Year's Eve party, which will have artists performing like Lizzo and Kehlani. And then after New Year's Eve, around March, it said Ben Platt will be performing there as well. As you can see, this hotel is pretty empty. So if you're looking for something a little laid back, but next to the strip, not necessarily on the strip, I would definitely recommend this hotel. Money Baby is upstairs. It's the first thing you see. It used to be open, not sure when it will open again, but it used to be a little area that they would do watch parties for sports. And then they had the spa, gym, and a juice bar available for their hotel guests. When you walk out those double doors, you're greeted by the Money Baby lawn little area because it's outside, and I believe that is fake grass. But you're also greeted by their pool. Now, they had two different types of pools, and I believe none of them were open, but this is what one of them looks like. As you can see, they have like fake sand at the beginning of the pools, which I thought was an interesting touch, but I actually kind of like it because it gives it like that beachy vibe. So that's definitely interesting. I don't think any other casino has something like that for their pools. They do have a steakhouse called One and a Desert Star bar in the middle. And even though this casino is small and not that busy, they do have a sports book. And my favorite thing about this casino, honestly, is that even though it doesn't have too many people like roaming the halls, and it's definitely nowhere near crowded, they celebrated for the holidays. And not only did they celebrate, but they have decorated Christmas trees on their ceiling. I have never seen such a concept like that ever, especially at a casino. So the fact that they actually took the time out of their day to decorate trees and then stick it on their ceiling, I thought was pretty interesting. Also, that was an ornament archway that you could literally walk through, and it was actually pretty cool to walk in through. These are some of the events that they have to offer at the Virgin Hotels. Now, be advised that most of them you do have to be 21 for, so I made sure to include that at the end here for the open mic night. They do have to be 21 to perform. Now, let's say you're here in Vegas, but you're not necessarily here for the strip. You're here for like an event at like the Thomas and Mack Center or something like that. I would definitely suggest staying here at the Virgin Hotels because this is located on Harmon, making this hotel 0.8 miles away from the Thomas and Mack Center, or 1.8 miles away from the actual strip. Also, they do have table games. As you can see, there's nobody playing, but I'm sure at nighttime it's got to be crazy. So far, we've covered the gambling, the performances, and some of the amenities. So let's talk about their restaurants. The kitchen serves breakfast all day. They have certain items that will serve breakfast all day. Cassie Beach House was closed when I filmed this, but it said it was closed for a private event. So I'm pretty sure it's still open due to COVID. This is Pizza Forte, and its location in the casino was really cute because it made it look like a hole in the wall. But as you will see in the next clip, like it's right next to the elevators, so it has a second entryway that doesn't make it seem so hole in the wallish, but yeah, at the same time it kind of does. And I don't know, I just really like that. But if you also kind of want like something that's known on the strip, there is a Nobu located inside of here. Now, this I just wanted to point out because if you don't have any holiday pictures, they do have like a little opportunity where you and your family could sit on the chair and take a bunch of pictures. I felt like by providing a decoration such as that, where they kind of are setting the mood, they are really trying to like attract customers and guests, and like they're actually pretty thoughtful about it. This is an ice cream little parlor shop. It's kind of in the corner of this hotel, but not really, because then it leads to a hallway. And down that hallway is this Mexican restaurant that smelled really good. Like, honestly, I would eat here. It smelled really good. And it was super crowded. Okay, this is my favorite part of the entire hotel. They have Dunkin' Donuts. So for everyone who loves Dunkin' Donuts over Starbucks, me, they do have a Dunkin' Donuts here, and it's next to their little convenience store. They also have a couple of other restaurants next to their conventional hall. They have something called the Parlor, which I'm not sure is a restaurant or not because all the doors were closed and there was like no signs describing it. But it is next to a restaurant called Olives. This is a sign in the corner kind of advertising their next and upcoming events and the people who will be performing. So as you can see, there was Kaylani, Lizzo, and Bert Kreischer. So they actually have like a nice and wide variety of performers that will be there. And also there's a cafe down here called the Funny Library, and it actually had some reasonable prices for like a coffee little joint inside of a casino, but they also have a nice view of the pool. But that is all I have for you guys today. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below any other comments, questions, or concerns you have about this video or anything else, and be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!